Hello everyone, my name is Tristan, and today on Board Mars we're going to be making homemade pizza roll-ups. To make pizza roll-ups, you're going to need mini pepperonis, string cheese, and crescent. Let's get started by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. To start with, we're going to be taking 8 cheese sticks and cutting them in half. The next step is opening these crescent rolls.
You're gonna have this audio in there? What are you doing?
Now we're going to be adding the cheese sticks. Now we add the pepperonis. That wasn't very neat. That's much better. Let's roll these bad boys. Let's put them on a pan lined with parchment paper, like this. Now we'll bake them for about 10 minutes. We're going to be brushing on Italian seasoning and butter. Evenly apply the butter mixture to each crescent. It's easier when you have a silicone brush. Then place the crescents into the oven. Take them out after 1 minute, and you know they're ready when they are light golden brown. Now there's only one thing left to do. It's very hot.